Today we're going to talk about something that's very important for everyone's safety in the fabrication shop: de-energizing machinery before working on it. In a fast-paced environment like ours, it's easy to overlook crucial safety steps, especially when we're focused on getting a job done quickly. However, working on machinery that hasn't been properly de-energized can have severe, even fatal consequences. Why de-energize? Let's talk about the hazards of live machinery. Think about the equipment we use daily: presses, shears, welding machines, grinders, saws, cranes. All of these are powered by electricity, hydraulics, pneumatics, or even stored mechanical energy like springs or elevated parts. If these machines are not properly de-energized and locked out before maintenance, cleaning, or repairs, you face several serious hazards. For example, there's unexpected startup. The machine could suddenly turn on, crushing, cutting, or entangling you. Release of stored energy, components under pressure, hydraulic, pneumatic, or tension, that is springs, could release, causing violent movement. Electrical shock or arc flash. Direct contact with live electrical parts can cause severe burns, electrocution, or an arc flash explosion. Thermal burns. Hot surfaces or molten metal could cause burns if the machine is still active. These aren't just theoretical risks. They are real dangers that have caused countless injuries and fatalities in workplaces around the world. The solution is lockout tagout, or LOTO. Our primary defense against these hazards is lockout tagout. Lockout tagout is a safety procedure used to ensure that dangerous machines are properly shut off and not able to be started up again prior to the completion of maintenance or servicing work. Lockout. That involves physically placing a lock on an energy isolating device, like a circuit breaker, a valve, or switch, to prevent the machine from being energized. Tagout involves placing a tag on the device clearly indicating that the machine is locked out and why. That is, do not operate, maintenance in progress. The tag is a warning, but the lock provides the physical barrier. Remember, a tag without a lock is not sufficient to prevent accidental re-energization. Steps for de-energizing machinery, that is, lockout tagout procedure. Before you begin any work on a machine that requires you to place any part of your body into its operating zone, or where unexpected energization could occur, you must follow these steps. 1. Notify affected personnel. Inform your supervisor and anyone else who might be affected by the shutdown. This prevents surprises and ensures smooth operations. 2. Identify all energy sources. This is crucial. Don't just think electricity. Consider electrical, main disconnects, circuit breakers, hydraulic or pneumatic, valves, pressure relief, mechanical, blocked parts, springs, elevated components that could fall, thermal, hot surfaces, chemical, any stored chemicals or gases. Then 3, shut down the machine. Follow the normal shutdown procedure for the equipment. 4, isolate energy sources. Operate the energy isolating devices. That is, turn off circuit breakers, close valves, open disconnects to completely de-energize the machine. 5, apply lockout tagout devices. Place your personal lock and tag on each energy isolating device. Each worker involved in the maintenance must apply their own lock. 6, release stored energy. This is a critical step which is often overlooked. Electrical, discharge capacitors, hydraulic, pneumatic, bleed off pressure drain lines. Mechanical, block or reposition components that could move due to gravity or springs. 7, verify zero energy. This is the most important step. Attempt to start the machine, press the start button, or activate controls to confirm it won't energize. Make sure you're in a safe position when you're doing this. Use a calibrated voltage detector. Confirm no electrical current. Visually inspect. Check gauges for zero pressure. Ensure blocks are in place. Then return controls to off or neutral position after testing. Only once you have positively verified zero energy can you begin your work. Here are some common mistakes and pitfalls to avoid. Rushing the procedure. Never skip steps to save time rather. Safety is not a shortcut. Not identifying all energy sources. A machine might have multiple power sources or stored energy. Relying on others' locks. Always apply your own personal lock. Your life depends on it. Not verifying zero energy. This is the ultimate test. If you don't test, you don't know. Using the machine's controls as the isolating device. A control switch is not an energy isolating device. You need to go to the main disconnect. De-energizing machinery is not just a procedure. It's a commitment to your own safety and the safety of your coworkers. By diligently following our lockout, tagout procedures, we ensure that every job is done safely and everyone goes home at the end of the day. Remember, if it's not locked out, it's not safe.